Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of culinary delights. Today, we're diving into the realm of gluten-free goodness with the best of Thailand, round, white rice paper wraps. These wraps aren't just any ordinary rice papers. They're the ultimate solution for crafting delectable spring rolls and dumplings right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's roll into the details, shall we? Now, what sets these wraps apart from the rest? Well, for starters, they're not just gluten-free. They're also non-GMO, vegan, and paleo-friendly. Plus, they're kosher for Passover, making them an inclusive option for all dietary preferences. With just a quick dip in lukewarm water for 5 seconds, they transform into pliable sheets ready to be filled with your favorite ingredients. Talk about convenience. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're in the mood for savory or sweet, these wraps have got you covered. From breakfast rolls bursting with colorful veggies and grilled meats to dessert rolls filled with luscious fruits and decadent chocolate, the possibilities are endless. Let your culinary creativity run wild. But wait, there's more. These rice papers aren't just delicious, they're also sturdy and reliable. Made from premium ingredients, they won't break easily when wrapping your favorite fillings. So go ahead, load them up with protein, seafood, or veggies for a satisfying bite every time. And there you have it, folks, the best of Thailand white rice paper wraps, your ticket to gluten-free gourmet goodness. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, these wraps make crafting delicious meals a breeze. So why wait? Head over to Amazon and snag your pack today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!